Welcome back learners. In this video we will master rule number 7 which deals with subject-verb agreement when using the quantities of time, money, distance, weight and more. This rule often appear in exams like SSC, banks and other government tests. When a quantity is treated as a single unit or block, we use a singular verb for that. But when the same quantity is used in parts or different ways, we use a plural verb. For example, 2 hours is enough to complete the task. Here, time is a single block, so we have used singular verb that is. 2 hours were spent, one on cleaning, one on studying. Now the time is divided, so we use a plural verb that is were. Next, for money. 10,000 rupees is a big amount. It is used as a single sum, so we have used is as a verb. 10,000 rupees were spent on rent and bills. Here the money is used in parts, one on rent and the one on bills, so we use were, which is a plural verb. Next, 5 kilometers is a long walk. Here distance is used as one complete stretch, so we are using a singular verb that is. 5 kilometers were covered partially by bike and on foot. Here distance is divided into two parts, so we are using plural verb that is were. Next, same for weight. 3 kilograms is too much. Here weight is considered as one single quantity, so we are using is. 3 kilograms were packed in two different bags. Here the weight is split, so verb must be plural that is were here. Next, 80 kilometers per hour is the speed limit. Here the speed is used as one unit, so we are using is. 80 kilometers per hour were recorded at two different checkpoints. Here we are using for multiple instances, so we have used a plural verb. Summary, recap. If we are using singular use for time, money, distance, weight and speed, we need to use a singular verb. If it is used in parts or split into parts, then we need to use a plural verb. Here is a quick quiz for you guys. Please try it and comment down the answers below. $50 dash not enough, is or are. 5 hours dash spent on different activities, was or were. 10 kilometers dash a long distance. Final tips. Don't let the numbers confuse you. Always focus on how the quantity is being used, and the best way is to practice by examples. Subscribe to the channel for more such grammar rules. Thank you.